This is my family, and between the three of us, we go through this much fresh fruit and veg a week. And it doesn't even include our frozen fruit for smoothies and frozen veg either. And this one, she may look small, but she has an appetite. Many people see supermarket prices and assume that being plant-based is just too expensive and too hard to maintain in the long run. We've been eating this way for around 6 years now. So how do we do it? Well, what we pay is far less than what most people might expect. And in this video, I'll be sharing our tips and tricks to get great produce for less. I'll share these tips with you while I take you through our savings for our weekly fruit and veg haul. Ask for suggestions on places for great value fruit and veg in local Facebook groups. I'm part of the Vegans in Melbourne Facebook group, and they are always happy to provide suggestions. Try out the places suggested and find out what works for you. Another really great thing about Facebook groups is that if there are specials on produce and vegan foods around the city, members often share so others can benefit from these specials as well. Buying bulk where possible is a great way to save money. For us, that's where the majority of our savings comes from. We buy a few items in bulk, and I'll take you through these and detail our savings. Our biggest purchase is 15 kgs of bananas per week. We buy 15 kgs for about $19.50. Supermarkets sell for $45 for 15 kgs. And over a course of a year, we save $1,326. We buy 10 kgs of apples, mostly for juicing. We pay $1 a kg. That's a weekly savings of $30 and an annual saving of $1,560. We buy 5 kgs of potatoes per week, saving $3.75 per week and an annual saving of $195. We buy dates every 4 to 5 weeks. Every month we save $46.15, and in a year we save $553.80. Our total savings from bulk buying comes to $3,634.80. If you really want to get great deals, time your market visits close to when the market is due to close. This is the time market vendors are keen to get rid of their stock and will often heavily discount items. The only drawback of this is that sometimes the best stuff has been snapped up, but if you're after ripe fruit, this is a good time to buy because ripe fruit is less attractive and it often gets left behind. Once you find a market that you're happy with, develop relationships with the vendors that you frequently buy fruits and vegetables from, especially the stores you buy bulk produce from. It's a nice thing to do, and because you give them regular business, they'll take care of you and ensure you get the best produce. Besides getting better value, seasonal fruits and vegetables retain more nutrients than their counterparts. Also, seasonally grown produce supports our local farmers who choose to farm sustainably. Finally, we're looking at the savings for the individual items, the non-bulk items. I've been conservative in my costings to give you a sense of the average savings that you might get. Feel free to pause if you'd like to look at the detail in the table. And that gives us a yearly savings of $4,685.72. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.